Hey guys, so let me just do a haul with you. And first thing, I got these
It's been a while since I've seen your face. How you been? I'll admit I really miss this place. Just so you know you haven't been replaced, 'cause I still think of you now like nothing has changed. And we just can't deny our hearts are beating time. We're both still synchronized, whoa. And we can't let a lie. In between you and I, there's always love we hide. But it's always been you. It's always been you. It's always been you.
Hey guys, so let me just do a quick haul. And so over here I have this bucket. You are to buy this. You are to buy one soap, one bar soap, and Musafi powder, and two things that go for more than 500. You are to receive this basket. And alongside that, I bought this small white star soap. It's a small white star soap, and inside here I have this hey, May wash. Yeah, it's something new in the market, so they were just trying to market it. So, and it was only going for 199. Yeah, it was only going for 199. And yeah, and it's lemon scent. So it really smells nice, guys. So I just want to try that. And also over here I have this Fresto all-purpose cleaner. I had to go for this because it was the cheapest before I figure out how to make my own homemade cleaning products. So we are done with this basket. Over here I have cut one bread and also this mandazi. In my last haul I also had these mandazis. I really love them, guys. So over here I have these sodas. They were on offer at 159. Usually they go for up to 200. So for today they were going for 159, so I bought three of them. And Afia, as usual, is on offer on Quickmart, so they were 99 bob. So I bought this multivitamin. I bought apple, tropical, and mixed fruit. Yeah, so I bought four of them. And here, as usual, I have soko for maize flour. I have ndove for wheat flour, and I also have pure porridge for my son's porridge. And also here I have sugar, that's 2 kg. And over here I have these ziplocs. I really want to use them to store my things in my fridge. Yeah, so I have ziplocs. I also have this foil. I was out of it, and I have this cling film. Yeah, so this was it for the supermarket things. So let's go to the market things. So for the market things, I bought these nyanyas. These were going for 200 bob. They were 420. Yeah, 420 or 520. 420. That was 200 bob. And this thing, I can't remember the name. It was going for 3 for 20 bob, so I took for 40. And I also have these capsicums. They are very nice. They are very nice and big. Each at 10 bob. Each at 10 bob. Over here I have these beetroots, each at 20 bob. And I also have this broccoli. Have this broccoli. I have this ginger at 20 bob. I bought two of them. And over here I have some French beans. And and over here I have these spices. Nimebuy kwa soko. So the spices, I have different of them. I have oregano, I have turmeric, not turmeric, curry powder, and so many others. Yeah, so I have spices over here. I have yellow beans over here. I have some French dengu and normal dengu, and also have some rice over here. And I have some cabbage over here. This cabbage was only for 30 bob, 20 bob. Yeah, this was only for 20 bob. It seems kuna cabbage mingi kwa soko sahi. So this was only for 20 bob. And I have oranges, each was at 10. And I also have here some onions, 3 for 20. So I bought for 100 bob. And I also have here our coriander at 3 for 20. So I bought the 40 bob. Yeah. And since I want to batch cook a lot, over here I have our githeri. I have some maize that I want to make for githeri. I have some carrots here, and you guys, I have some kunde over here. I have some managu. Yes, I have some managu. I have sukuma wiki together with spinach, and here I have morenda. Yeah. So this I want to batch cook and keep for a week. Yeah, I'm sure it's going to take us for some time. So I'm not sure if I've forgotten something. Let me show you. I just bought some waru. And down here I have some waru, and these are minji. Yeah, these are minji. These are minji. I prefer buying them like this so they can peel. They look much mingi kuliko zile zenye unanunuanga kama zishapiliwa. So and that was, yeah. So that was it for my haul, guys. So now I'm going to arrange them. I almost forgot to show you this, guys. So I bought these spice jars. I found them so a bit cheap and also affordable for anybody. So the small ones were going for 30 bob, and the bigger ones were going for 80 bob. But we negotiated, and I took the bigger ones at 70 bob. And these small ones here, I really love this shape, but it was only that one. So for the bigger one, I've told you I bought them at 70, and the small one at 30 bob. That was quite affordable. But in future, if I get money, I'll go for the cute ones. Yeah, though I love this one, and I'm sure they will serve me for a while. And I also got these organizers. They were only these two. I really wanted to buy a lot of them, but again I remembered they actually take a lot of space, and they were only for 100 bob. Yeah, so that was it for my haul. So for now, I want to start packing these foods. And for the cabbage, it's too big, so I'm going to be dividing it into 4 pieces, and then I cover it with a cling film before I store it in the fridge. I'm sure it's going to serve us for a few days. So if I cut it for in four parts, I'm sure it's going to save to serve us for 4 days. That is, maybe this week we eat one, next week we eat one or two, and just like that. So I want to do a lot of batch cooking, guys. I want to go I will be away for work for like 1 week. Yeah, be away for work for like 1 week, and that is from on Monday up to Friday. So I really don't want to go and leave my family without food. I have to make sure they have enough food, since I have a kid around, and I don't want him to disturb the dad all the time because I'm leaving him behind. Yeah, so let's pack the veggies, then we keep them in the fridge for them to use for a whole week. So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and welcome to this video. I have realized I haven't said welcome, so you guys feel at home. For my new subscribers, karibuni sana, feel at home. Here we do a lot of things around home. We cook, clean, and also sometimes we can do lifestyle videos. Yeah, so in case you're new here, consider subscribing in case you haven't, and let's do this and grow this family together, guys. So I hope you really do enjoy this video, and in case you do, kindly subscribe and also leave a comment for me, and don't forget to give this video a like. It really helps this channel to grow, and also it really boosts the video and get it to YouTube recommendation. So let's enjoy the video, guys.
It's always been you. It's always been you. seen your face. How you been? I'll admit I really miss this place. Just so you know you haven't been replaced, 'cause I still think of you now like nothing has changed. And we just can't deny our hearts are beating time. We're both still synchronized, whoa. And we can't live a lie. In between you and I, there's always love we hide. But it's always been you. It's always, it's always, it's always been you. You. It's always, it's always, it's always been 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 you.
So apparently I didn't get to wash my veggies, and for some reason I believe even if I get them from inside here, when I want to use them, definitely I have to wash before I use. For my tomatoes, I saw somewhere that if you store them without washing, they will not have to go bad soon. So that's why I had to keep them like that. And I'm done with part one of this video. That was packing and also organizing my shopping. And now I want to get into the cereals, and I will start with the githeri. We have to peel off the maize from the maize corns. Then we get to soak all the cereals for at least 12 hours. For at least 12 hours. That is how I believe it should be done. Also, most of them can be soaked even up to 12 for 24 hours. But for me, I'm only going to be doing 12 hours because right now it was around 4 in the evening, and I was going to cook them the following day in the morning. Yeah. So you can see I have my green dengu, that's the normal dengu. I also have yellow beans. I have French or red dengus. That's how I know they are called. And I also have maize, that is githeri. So this was actually 12 hours later. I had soaked them overnight, and you can see how they look, guys. Actually na feel ni kama they are already cooked, because ukiacha cereals kwa maji sana, they soak so well until they look like they are already cooked. So what we want to do now is to start cooking, guys. And I'm here with my only lifesaver, that's my pressure cooker. But hata imechoka na maisha, it's already tired, so I'm investing on an electric pressure cooker, and I'm hoping very soon I'm going to be having it. So what I'm going to be doing is I will have to use hot water to make it easy, like in kukatakata a lot of this pressure cooker, kukaa kwa jiko sana. I'll have to be using hot water, that ukitoa pressure 1 2, the cereals are ready. And my pressure cooker, you can see the handle is even out. This pressure cooker is really tired, but I'm trying, guys. I'm investing on a new one, a electric one. So outside here is where I'm going to be cooking all the cereals. And let me tell you guys, batch cooking is never easy. I did this work for whole for 4 hours. For the whole 4 hours I was batch cooking. Hata majirani walikuwa wanashangaa huyu msichana kwani ako na wageni nini? But anyway, I managed everything, and I started cooking at around 11, and nikamaliza around 6 p.m. I don't know if that is even 4 hours. It's literally more than 4 hours. But the good thing is I finished well, and now we are packing. So let's pack, keep them in the freezer, and call it part 2 is done.
It's been a while since I've seen your face. How you been? I'll admit I really miss this place. Just so you know you haven't been replaced, 'cause I still think of you now like nothing has changed. And we just can't deny our hearts are beating time. We're both still synchronized, whoa. And we can't let a lie in between you and I. There's always love we hide, but it's always been you. It's always, it's always, it's always been you. You. It's always, it's
So after packing everything, you can see I have here our githeri, and it's in 4 packs. So I had to Wekamba Kaijai because I believe only 1 pack would be enough for us. And also there I have our green dengu. I have here our yellow beans. Hii nilikuwa naeka like tukipika once kama ni lunchtime, that would be it. So that was enough for lunchtime or even dinner for chapos. And also there I have our French or red dingoes. I don't know how you call them from your side, guys, but they are so sweet. Let me know in the comment section. Yeah. So I was done with this part, and yeah, so this is how I did the job. And now let's head to the freezer to pack them there. But you see, I had done the veggies the previous night. I didn't get to shoot. I was so tired. Hii kazi hata inachosha sana. So I did the veggies the previous night, so now I want to organize them vizuri and then get to put the cereals there. Yeah, so that's what I want to be doing very very quickly, and I'm sure everything is going to fit in so well. Yeah, you can already see that. And just like that, guys, we are done organizing them. But still, when I want to put there something else, you're gonna see that in a few. I'll have to squeeze that and organize again. So this was the following day in the morning, I think on Sunday in the morning. And hubby had woken up very early in the morning, akaenda huko kwenye watu huko the slaughterhouse. Yeah, he went to the slaughterhouse to see if buying meat there is cheaper than buying in the butchery. And the good thing, that was the fact that in the butchery it's a bit expensive, because in the slaughterhouse 1 kg is at 300 and in the butcher it's actually at 600. So he went there, he took some maini, matumbo, and also bone marrow. So get prepared for us to cook you some soup. And he also took 1 kg of meat. He was to take also 1 kg of goat meat, but hazikuwa. So what I want to do is to wash them, guys. I don't want to keep them while they have this blood. I want to wash them, and the first round I want to wash with plain water, and for the second round I'm going in with some lemon to just get that smell out of my hand and also out of this meat, and keep it while I feel like it's a bit fresh. Yeah, so that's what I want to be doing next. You guys, it was not a joke. This video is really interesting, so give it a like if you already love it, and let's continue.
always, it's always been you. It's always, it's always, it's always been you. It's always, it's always, it's always been you.
So after all the struggle, you can imagine, after all the struggle vile nilikuwa nafikiria how I'll pack this, and since I don't even have enough storage containers, I had to pack them first using the foil. Then I had to cover it with a cling film. I don't know if it's good to cover meals using a foil in the freezer. Just let me know in the comment section, guys, because I don't want you to come at me at blah 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 blah. Just let me know in the comment section. So what we want to do next is to do some smoothie. Yes, I'm really craving for this smoothie. It's been a while since I took a smoothie, and I'm going in with some lemon. I'm going in with some melon, pineapple, mango, although we don't have mangoes in the market currently. they are very bad, and if they are even tasteless. So I'm just going to go with whatever I bought, and then we make this smoothie, guys. So let's do this again.
It's been a while since I've seen your face. How you been? I'll admit I've really missed this place. Just so you know you haven't been replaced, 'cause I still think of you now like nothing has changed. And we just can't deny our hearts are beating time. We're both still synchronized, whoa. And we can't live a lie. In between you and I, there's always love we hide. But it's always with you. It's always, it's always, it's always been you. You. It's always, it's always, it's always been you. It's always, it's always, it's always been you. It's always, it's always, it's always been you.
So for my first smoothie, I went without beetroot, but for the second one, I mixed the beetroot. But I always am a very big fan of beetroot, guys, and this was the sweetest. Like there's something special with beetroots, but the color itself, it's so amazing. So this is how I packed my smoothie, and just like that, guys, I was done with that part. So we are back to the freezer. We are back to the freezer for the last time, and this time round I have everything that I want to keep in the fridge. And you can see since I have another package to keep here, I'll have to reorganize this fridge again. And this time round I'm sure things are going to come in so handy. So what happened here, I was cooking, like it took me 3 days to shoot this video. It took me 3 days to shoot this video. Like I was shooting today, and tomorrow I'm shooting, and then following day I'm shooting. Yeah, so I was just, if I shoot today, I just have to come and keep tomorrow, and just like that. So in case you're wondering as to why I didn't cook the meat, I really want it to stay there because since I'm going away and I didn't have enough time to cook it, it is going to stay there until I come back because it needs to be slow cooked. I need a very good soup for that. So I'll have to let it stay there. Once I'm back, I'll have to slow cook it. Yeah. So that is how we are going down with this video, guys. I'm really loving it. Imagine having a fridge and organizing it like this. This is so amazing. These are just a boom. This is just a boom. So we are done organizing everything. We are done with fridge organization, and this is the final turnout. This is the final turnout. Down there we have our afia, we have our eggs on this side, and at the middle I could put some yogurts there, but I don't have them at the moment. There we have our sodas, and here we have our carrots and our capsicum and stuffs. Then down here we have our broccoli and cabbages, and on the downside we have our tomatoes and also some orange. Yes, that's the downside. And on the upper side, on the freezer, we have it fully packed. We have our cereals and also our meat fully packed there, guys. So this was a part of batch cooking and also organizing my fridge. So in the comment section, just briefly let me know what you think about today's organization. Let me know what you think I did wrong that I didn't know, maybe, or maybe I did it intentionally, and I will be happy to see your comments down there in the comment section. So next thing we want to do is we want to do homemade detergents. Since the economy is so hard, guys, imagine buying something in the supermarket for over 600 that you used to buy at least 200. So today I just want to learn on how to make a fabric softener for the soap. I know, although it didn't turn out as I expected for the liquid soap, but this fabric softener didn't even disappoint. So I'm using a lot of shortcuts. They say you mix that color in a different container, then you put it there. But I and hubby were shortcut people, so we had to mix everything at a go, and then we mix and continue stirring until we get it a little bit heavy. Yeah. So this moment he was done, he had to give it somebody else to continue stirring, and now he's up to the soap. Yes, he's up to the soap, and for the soap it really comes with a lot of things. I think it is where even the confusion came in from. So we did everything right, but haikutoka like mzito. I don't know what happened. So he want to mix these things as we continue to stir. So in case you don't know how to make these soaps, guys, I really don't. I'm not a good teacher, but at least I believe you can see from the video what we are doing. Yes, and for the fabric softener, you have to use hot water, and for the liquid soap there's no pressure, you can use either warm or cold water. Yeah, that is how we did that. So at this point we were team working. At this point, we are team working, and you can see my fabric softener is coming out really well. I'm loving this, and the liquid soap, there it is. So we gave it like 12 hours to rest, and this was the following morning. Look at that fabric softener, guys. I didn't even expect that it was going to turn out like this. It's so heavy. I was thinking of adding some water because they said I do 5 liters, but I did 7. If I'm not wrong, I did 7 or 8, but it still looks heavy. And for this other side, wow, it didn't even turn out, like ilikuwa too so light. I don't know what happened to this soap because this is the cheapest. This is the easiest soap to make, anyone can make, but for us it didn't turn out as we expected, but still itatumika tu vile iko hivyo hivyo. Hiyo 200 yangu haiendi mahali, so it's not going anywhere. Tutaitumia tu ikiwa hivyo until it's done. So let's pack and keep them as well, guys. So yes.
Oh, I don't mind a little rain on my suit. A little bit of angry makes you cute. We've been watching this show so long, but if
So guys, I'm done with everything. Nimezipack vizuri kwa vibuyu zenye zinafaa kukua, and the fabric softener turned out to be 7 liters. Yeah, so this 7 liters, and it's so heavy, it's so good. I'm sure it's going to serve me for quite some days, if not months. And because sometimes if it overstays, it might tend to change the color. And also the liquid soap, it turned out to be around 9 liters, if I'm not wrong, because that's 5, 2, and 1. So that is it's 8 liters, and it was said to be 10 liters. So I think that way also could be the problem. So guys, thank you for watching up to this point, and let me see you in my next video. Bye bye, guys. Bye.
ooh, I'm down for anything, yeah, we can make a mess inside this book.